Hello and welcome to the Bespoke Unit. Today Charles-Philippe and I are going to be reviewing the Quality Importers Old World Humidor, and we're also going to discuss where it fits between large, small and medium-sized humidors, as well as the budget option it suits best. I'm Paul Anthony from Bespoke Unit.
And I'm CP, I'm also from Bespoke Unit.
And today we're going to be unboxing this Old World Quality Importers Humidor. Charles, I know you're a blade master, do the honours.
Blade Runner. Says the Quality Importers, do we know which one it is?
I believe it's the Old World one. So the idea of these unboxing videos, these different humidors, you're going to be able to see links below where we cover the best small, medium and large humidors, as well as the best cheap humidors, value for money humidors and luxury humidors. So nice. We're going to be covering all of those, and these are the dedicated videos for the particular humidors within each one of those categories. So this humidor comes in at around about $100.
It's that, it's more like in the 70, 80. It's quite a really good budget one.
Yep. So we have the Old Glory version already, which is the one with the USA flag.
So also among one of our favourite wooden humidors, there's a link below to that guide where we sort of break down on recommendations and the best humidors that we've tested over the last couple of months.
Nice sturdy box.
And the Old Glory one is one that you've been using for years as well.
Yeah, I've had it for a couple of years, and once I've seasoned it with the Boveda packs, it holds RH extremely well for such a quote-unquote cheap humidor. I think it's great. Here we can see the world map. Actually nice enough. I thought it would be.
Yeah, it is.
A nice vibe on it.
So if you're not a fan of the weathered US flag,
look,
sort of decorative, you've got
back
this.
here. I suppose we'll just open this puppy up and see what it looks like inside. So, okay, have a little silicone bag. What else do we have here? We have a guarantee.
Instruction manual translated from Chinese. It was the one that I got from Habano and Habano, which was wow. It was in English, but this one seems good.
Okay, so let's pull this out.
There you go.
Nice little cedar tray. I think it's
kiln dried Spanish cedar.
Okay.
And Quality Importers have a Sureseal Technology, which is in the lip, which gives you a much. It's written right there.
You can see it right in the corner there.
Which means that you get a lot less moisture exchange, and they're really good. Well, for the budget humidors, they're much better at sort of resisting that exchange.
So you get two dividers for the bottom, which is quite nice to separate your sticks. You got one divider for the top tray,
and then we've got these.
Yeah, so
I just put them straight in the trash?
Well, you can keep the key if you want to keep the kids out of the humidor. But these are actually just tacked in with a really small a kind of staple, I suppose. But what I did on mine is I actually got like a kind of a larger hunting knife in there and popped these out, and I've actually mounted a Boveda plate there, just because, as you'll see in some of the video resources we have at bespokeunit.com/cigars, as well as here on our YouTube channel, that the analog hygrometers aren't particularly good, even when they're calibrated.
So here it comes with an analog hygrometer, which...
No, I mean, you know, we'd prefer to use either a calibrated digital hygrometer or one of the smart hygrometers, whether it's the Boveda Butler, the Cigar, which we also like, and the sensor push. So one of those three is going to be a good option. I know you pretty much just use the Boveda Butler because you use
the Butler,
the Butler, and then we have like the foam.
So it's floral foam. It's kind of what you expect of a florist, where they sort of moisten it and they dip the flower stalks in there just so they stay fresh over the day. The problem is with this stuff is that, well, first of all, it needs recharging every day, pretty much.
Well, yeah, I mean frequently.
It dries up so quickly.
And it gives off 100% RH at the source. So this is when you may have heard about rotating your cigars, moving ones from the top to the bottom. It's because that's giving off RH at wild levels. So your cigars near that will be getting much more RH than the cigars at the bottom, as where, you know, someone like a Boveda pack, you know, will give off, you know, the RH it says on the pack. So, you know, as we said, I've actually had this unit or the similar unit in the Old Glory style. It actually says it's made in Vietnam on the bottom here.
Alright, okay.
I thought it was a Chinese one.
So did I.
So, made in Vietnam. Base. mean, this is one of the big areas that you're going to be seeing from one of these like value for money humidors up to the luxury. They're going to have a much better construction on the bottom. This is probably some cheaper plywood.
But that said, it's quite solid compared to some of the...
Yeah, to some of the cheaper ones. It was almost like... So that's, you know, when we're looking at, you know, why would you spend money on a luxury humidor? It's going to be, you know, you're going to have much better quality materials throughout, including the base and the seal. But again, I think this is probably our top value for money kind of cheap humidor, just because of the performance that we've had. But they're the same, they're basically different designs.
Yeah, exactly.
So, you know, so steps for, once you get your humidor, you're going to want to season it. There's links below on how to season. We personally here at Bespoke Unit recommend Boveda's 85% seasoning packs, which is 1 per 25 count. So what's this, is 100 count?
100 count.
Yep, so 4 of those packs, pop them in there for 2 weeks. We don't really like the other methods such as wipe down, etc., because of some of the issues you'll see in the videos below. But yeah, if you're in the market for a humidor, then I think this is probably a good option at a reasonable price. So yeah, it's whether you pretty much just like this map design or the USA flag design, really. So.
Yeah, absolutely. So and they come at the same budget as well. There's no real difference in price. There are lots of other quality importers choices which stay on a reasonable budget, as well as some more premium models which we'll be covering not only in other videos, but there's also a best humidors pages which you can see in the links below, as I mentioned earlier.
So with that being said, obviously you want to check out those links below to our buying guides and our other humidor recommendation guides, as well as cigar content and general men's lifestyle content. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the section below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notifications. With that being said, my name is Paul Anthony.
I'm CP.
We'll see you next time.
Take care.